Hello and welcome to another video on the Skripting tutorial channel. Today we're going to be looking at implementing tab completions into your commands. This is when a player or you type a command and it automatically brings up arguments that you can cycle through and autocomplete. It really just enhances the quality of your scripts, especially if you're going to be uploading it for public uses on MCMark or Spigot MC. Firstly, we do need to install an add-on, skipb. This is essential. If you don't add this, you're going to get errors whenever you reload the script, so that needs to be installed. Also, before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel because over like 85% of the people who watch the videos aren't even subscribed. So let's say we want to make a command called favorite game, where the player can either choose, let's say, Minecraft or Fortnite as an argument. This means we want to display these two options whenever the player types the command. We create this as usual, command slash favorite game. Also, we need to add the text argument. Trigger, we'll just do this, doesn't really matter. Send arg1 is your favorite game. Okay, so now we're going to use a new event from the add-on we installed earlier on tab complete of, and then our command, which is obviously slash favorite game. And then obviously, as normal, as this is an event, we add the colon and indent. And now you want to do set tab completions for position 1, 2, Minecraft and Fortnite are two options that we want to give the player. So now if we reload that, position, sorry, not positive. Now we can type slash favorite game, and whenever we hit space or two tab completions come up, we can use tab to cycle through them, or we can even just select it. And their Fortnite is your favorite game. Obviously, it's not. So yeah, this has many different implementations you can use it for. If you did find this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe for more.